Hi everyone. Right, Joanne and I have just put a kit together and we're calling it, well, Joanne's named it Pretty in Pink. No, if you show me one at a time, so over by the camera so I can see it. We've included this, which is a nice big piece of the crushed velvet. Super soft, isn't it? It's lovely, that.
Yeah.
So it's like a large fat quarter, my size fat quarter. So that's the first item. And we're going to go through the whole kit together. We've included a large doily, nice pretty doily. See, quite big. That's my hand. They're nice, that. And then it all can be cut up, so you can use the doilies in the middle and around the edges and the edging individually. Thank you, honey. Are you not talking?
No, I've got nothing to say.
Don't you start going in a mood. No, we're not. We're only joking. We have a laugh. And this is it is the expensive trim. We do sell it in the shop, but it's absolutely beautiful. And well worth the price we sell it at, actually. But, so you're getting, did we measure this? No.
I think it was 20 inch, wasn't it?
20 inches of that.
Just over.
Yeah. So that's that. Now, we've mixed some feathers together. These are the luxury feathers. As you can see, they're absolutely beautiful. And you're getting, was it 6 of these?
Yeah.
6 of those. And these are the marabou feathers.
They're beautiful.
They are. They're gorgeous. I like blowing them and then seeing what they land like. But yeah, they're absolutely gorgeous. So you've plenty of feathers. And I think, didn't we have a trim? Yeah?
We did, yeah.
Yeah. So we're just going to show you the in cream. It's a pink and cream kit, but it's pretty in pink. And that's the gorgeous, it is cream, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's either cream or a very, very pale pink. And there's quite a bit of that. Okay, that's gorgeous. And then we've got these. So that's a little cluster there. So you can see the shape of that and the size of it. And these beautiful ribbons. It's a double bow in pink. And then we've got some trimmings. Oh, these are the, what do you call them?
The angel wings.
Yeah, the angel wings for your stick pins. Now, we've put in some stick pins,
There's several different designs there.
Yeah, there is. I'm just going to come close so you can see them. There's lots of different designs there. We sell all of them in the shop. And you're getting the 6 stick pins that go with them. So you've plenty there to play with. That's a pack that we sell in the shop like that.
Which is the stick pins.
And you've got 6 of the pearl, teardrop pearl stick pins to go with them.
You've got a reel.
A full reel of, and it's got like a glitter in it, hasn't it? Like an iridescent glitter in it. It's not focusing, but a nice trim. And you're getting the full reel. Thank you, dear.
So you've got 3 of those.
Yeah, these are the 1, 2, 3, 4 inch wide doilies, cotton doilies, so you can colour them as well. Or cut them down smaller, whichever you want to do. It's quite a luxury kit is this one, girls. And we've got 6 of the large daisies, and that's the size of my hand. So 6 of the large ones, but we've also got a smaller one, haven't we, love?
We do.
She'll show you that in a minute.
A little bit further down.
I've added some of my favourite trim. We've sold out in the shop because it sells out quickly, but it's my all-time favourite beaded trim. And it is expensive, but it's ready to come in again. So look out for that in the shop. We do sell these in the shop. Remind me to take that one off the shop because we've got quite a few of them. But these are our large applique, flower appliques. And you can add to them. We've shown you how to do that. And we used to sell the kit, but we've sold out of the kit now. But they're very pretty. The cream, is it white or cream? I think it's white, isn't it? Like a white ribbon that you can colour. It's single satin.
And then you have the cream.
That's not cream, it's pink.
It's pink, sorry, I was miles away then.
You are miles away, sister. Yeah, so then we've got the 1.5 inch wide pale pink. A nice big length of that. Now we've added in the, this is the 6mm pearl flat back. So you can see that. I don't know whether it'll focus right. You have to get it in the right light for it to focus. It's a pain in the backside. But you can see that.
And there's the smaller daisy.
And then the smaller daisy, like she says. And this is the 1 inch wide daisy. The other one was the 2 inch. But as you can see, when you lift it up, you can see it's got pink centres. So you've 24 daisies. And then you've got this beautiful, I think it's that way, love. Oh no, and it's that way. Shiny side up, gorgeous trim. And you know, you can cut so many of these out individually, and then you can just use the central bits for other things.
I'm just going to
a nice yard of that.
I'm just going to put these together
Yeah.
really quickly.
And the bobbles that we have, yeah, these. So we put them in cream for you.
I'm going to lay this out.
Yeah, this is the bling and the whoops.
Oh, sorry.
Right. Now I
Sending it your way.
I got these out, put them back, got them out and put them back, these crystals, because I have to tell you, ladies and gents, they are the old time crystals, a genuine crystal from a 1950s necklace. And I thought, you know what, I have bags of them, so let some go. So I've let 6 go. But you're doing 666, so don't be saying that.
No, don't be saying that out loud.
You'll be doing 6 stick pins, and they'll be great for that. Then we've got a pendant, which is the feather pendant, like that. Beautiful. It's quite heavy, that key, isn't it? A beautiful key for you to alter.
I love this.
Yeah, you can paint that. And this is a pendant, and it's a porcelain pendant, and it is from the, I think it's from the 60s, 50s or 60s, cameo. But it's porcelain. Gorgeous. I've put you one of those in to make your brooch of any kind. You can make a flower brooch or whatever you want to do. An acrylic teardrop. I call them teardrops, but a droplet. So you can make something with that. And this is an iridescent, as you can see, the colours are gorgeous. Like petrol colours. Glass pendant, large one. And then I've added this cluster. Because if you're doing a plaque or something, maybe a wall hanging, you can do that.
A nice bag charm.
Or a bag charm. You've got the Eiffel Tower, the ornate key, the crystals, and the small key. And that's what you're getting. So that's that. And oh, you don't have them near me.
I cannot abide. I love pretty glittery things,
but we can't stand touching it, can we?
No, I don't like to touch it. The feeling's awful.
So we've added in this huge AB butterfly.
Did you do the plan?
Absolutely gorgeous. And then we've added the large pink bow, but you can paint them. And to be quite honest, the way if you don't like the glitter, you can get rid of that in it you can paint it or you can get rid of it. And the way to get rid of it, soak it in boiling hot soapy water.
Yeah.
And it'll all just peel off. You have to, you know, put some gloves on and peel it off, and then you can reuse it. Same goes with that.
Yeah.
That's gorgeous, that. So you get, look, I've got it on my hands.
It's gorgeously glittery.
Here, you can have it.
Don't do that. I wear black.
You've got shiny things on your sleeve now. So some more appliques we're going to show you. There's that one which you can cut out, of course, and that's lovely. Little doily thing. We've got this one here where you can cut individual flowers.
Sorry.
Oh, sorry. Oh no, we have to cut that yet. Sorry, that was my fault. We're going to do this. It's the 4mm string, fused pearl, and we'll put you 2 meters of that in cream, and 2 meters in pink. I'll get the pink one. So you've plenty to play with in this kit. And then you've got the pink Nottingham lace, and I'll just show that one. It's beautiful. We have that in cream, powder blue, white, and pink. So that's that one. So we need
yeah, I'll do that.
Pink one, 2 meters of each. Then you've got that one. It's a little bit stiffer, but if you wet it and dry it, it'll go soft again. It's just the way it's made of a nylon thread. So that's that one.
I love this.
Yeah, I like this. Now, we do sell this. We'll sell all of this in the shop, but this one we have in, it's white in the middle with pink edging. We've also got it in half length, so it's like half of that. Like that. In white and pink. We've got it in multicoloured, like a rainbow colour, and this cream. I think we've got it in blue as well. Yeah, I think we've got it in powder blue. So we've got that. The 1/2 inch one in the gathered pink. I'll just show you that close up. Beautiful one for edging.
This is pretty.
Yeah, and this is like a super soft, well, it's soft. It is quite soft, actually. Pretty gathered lace. So we've got that one. Like I said, it's quite a big kit. Then we've got that one, applique.
We've got...
Yeah, I put 3 of each in, the different ones. So there's that one, 3 of those. Yeah.
There is one of those.
Yeah, there is only one of those. Yeah.
Was it one of those?
Yeah, there's 3 of them.
And 3 of those. Oops.
Yeah.
3 of them. One of them.
This is 3 of them, I think.
Yeah.
Or is it? Yeah. 3 of these.
Oops. That's
One of those.
bigger one.
There's some more of them, love.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then you've got the big one which you can cut up.
And you've got that there.
Yeah, there. So you've 3 of those. 1 of those that you can cut up. 3 of those. 3 of those. 3 of those. 1 of those. And 3 of those.
And
oh, there should be 3, so I'll take one out.
a butterfly.
And a butterfly, yeah. And that's it. Oh, is them bits?
No, we've got
all
some
right,
bits
so you've got
I'll
there.
just remove those.
Thank you, love.
So, in here...
Oh, it's getting glitter on it.
I know, it's getting everywhere.
Yeah, so this is the last lot in the kit.
Some roses.
So they're nice pink 1-inch roses.
Pretty little bows.
3 bows.
We've got a larger flower.
Yeah, the ruffle flower.
And we've got
The
this.
ribbon cluster.
This.
1 of those in the cream teardrop with the diamante.
And 3 cameo.
And 3 cameos. All of these are in the shop. And then, well, oh, and I've put, I didn't count them, love, I just put a handful in. So we've got some teardrops that you can use on your stick pins as well, beads, or to make other things. So that is the complete kit. As you can see, it's a big kit. There's quite a lot there, and I'll give you the price in a minute. Right, we've got it sorted and got it all bagged up, and it is a big kit. And the price for this is £40. Plus shipping. So if you're interested in this, say on this video, first come, first serve. We've put in as much goodness as we possibly can. So that's £40 plus shipping, and you've got heaps to go in there. Loads. Thanks for watching, take care, and we'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now. Say bye bye, Jojo.
Bye, everybody.